12 of the healthiest plants to have in your house. For a healthy lifestyle, have you ever thought about adding some plants to your house? They not only add colors, but are also great for improving air quality and removing toxins. What's more, research has proven that indoor plants can reduce psychological stress and have tons of health benefits. The only problem is, there are so many plants with different needs and benefits, and it can become a little difficult to choose the right one for your house. But no need to worry, because we are here to help you with that issue. In today's video, we will share with you 12 of the healthiest plants to have in your house for a healthy lifestyle. Note 1. Aloe vera. A healing aloe plant is a beautiful addition to your kitchen windowsill, as it loves a bright spot while being on hand to ease any kitchen burns. This plant will be clearing the air of formaldehyde and benzene found in varnishes, floor finishes, and cleansers. It thrives very well in a sunny location and does not need frequent watering. This makes it perfect for new plant moms and dads. Just make sure to place it in any well-lit corner and out of the way to avoid pricking. No. To snake plant. The presence of snake plants not only improves the appearance of your home surroundings, but also purifies the air for you. What makes this plant unique is the ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen even at night. It also saves you from allergic reactions by removing the toxic pollutants from the air. According to the American Society for Horticulture Science, the snake plant can reduce the ozone concentration in a simulated indoor setting and reduce airborne contaminants. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. 3. Bamboo plant. The bamboo plant is also known as butterfly palm and is famous for its air purify qualities. It is very tough, so perfect for you if you are new at keeping plants. It filters benzene and formaldehyde from the air, making it fresh and suitable for breathing. It prefers moist soil and placement in an area with good airflow. As an added benefit beyond air purification, it is also a natural humidifier, making it more useful during the dry winter. It thrives in areas with bright but not direct sunlight. The plant requires regular pruning as it grows fast, and it is safe for pets since it is not toxic. For pothos. Pothos is one of the most popular indoor plants because of their sturdy nature. They don't need soil or direct sunlight to grow, and will rarely bother you with plant problems. These plants remove pollutants such as formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene from the air, thus purify the environment from potentially harmful toxins. They can increase humidity as well, so the more moisture in the air, the fewer chances to catch certain viral infections, such as influenza. 5. Rubber tree. The rubber tree has oval, shiny, and leather-like leaves, which have a glowy effect and give a perfect look to your house. It is an inexpensive and non-allergic indoor plant with countless benefits and an attractive appearance. It purifies the air by getting rid of fungal spores and bacteria. It also converts the dangerous toxins present in the air into harmless chemicals. It is not very needy when it comes to maintenance, though it loves indirect sunlight, but can also adapt to low light conditions and needs infrequent watering cycles. Another reason to have the ZZ plant in your home is its unique medicinal properties. It helps to soothe earache, as it contains antioxidants like triterpenoid and polyphenolic compounds. According to the journal Hort Technology, the ZZ plants are highly resistant to insects, pests, and other plant diseases. This property makes it an ideal choice to be kept as an indoor plant at your home. 7. Dracaena gold star. The Dracaena plants are highly tolerant to harsh conditions like dry weather. This plant is quite important from the medical point of view, as it helps prevent headaches, kidney problems, anemia, and respiratory issues that occur due to the high amount of carbon dioxide, trichloroethylene, benzene, and formaldehyde in the air. The Dracaena plant removes these harmful chemicals from the environment, but if you are a pet owner, you might want to select a different plant, as it is toxic to cats and dogs when eaten. 8. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa is an indoor plant that is loved by many and grows very speedily. This plant acts as an air humidifier and purifier. Its beautiful, large leaves make your home more attractive and trap the dust and other debris in the air. It also prevents respiratory issues and dryness of the skin by creating a humid environment. Just put it in a spot with good light and plenty of room as it has rapid growth, and water it once a week, or when it looks dry and thirsty. No. 9. String of pearls. This beautiful indoor plant is best known for its ornamental and decorative properties. But that's not the only benefit. It can also help you reduce stress and benefits your psychological health by improving the ambience. Try to keep it in an area with bright sunlight, like a windowsill. If you have kids or pets at home, it could be a little dangerous, as it has toxic effects when eaten. You can display it in a hanging basket, far from your kids and pets, and enjoy the benefits and beauty of a string of pearls. No. 10. Spider plant. As the name suggests, the spider plant has narrow, long leaves, arranged in a way that looks like a spider's legs. It is one of the most favorite indoor plants of many people, and it deserves to be the favorite, as it has so many health and environmental benefits. It removes harmful toxins from the environment, like indoor carbon monoxide, which results in reduced stress, fatigue, colds, headache, and fresh purifying air to breathe in. Another thing that makes it an excellent choice for your home is they are not toxic. In fact, you can eat them. They are quite nutritious with a mildly bitter taste. No. 11. Jade plant. The jade plant is commonly known as the good luck plant. Superstitions like that it brings in wealth are associated with it. Maybe it is due to its bright, succulent leaves with jade stones or coin-like shapes. Well, not sure whether it brings in wealth or not. But one thing we are sure about is it is a perfect addition to your house, as it increases humidity and absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen even at night. It is a great option to be kept in your bedrooms. They have long lives with proper care and protection. They can live up to 70 years, which makes them a great companion. No. 12. Ficus lyrata. The Ficus lyrata is the most popular indoor plant, used by interior designers because of its green glossy leaves and aesthetic look. This giant indoor plant has lots of health benefits. It controls humidity, traps dust from the environment, and serves as an air purifier. The presence of this beautiful indoor plant prevents you from catching flu, sore throat, cold, and cough. Talking about the maintenance issue, little indirect sunlight and watering 2 to 3 times per week, that's all it needs from you. Indoor plants are beautiful, clean the air, and provide you with lots of health benefits. So it is a win-win situation. Moreover, health benefits from these plants are not just associated with your physical body, but also with your mind and soul. When the environment in your house is neat and pure, you feel nice and calm, no doubt. Keeping indoor plants at your home or workplace could be one of the best treats you could give to yourself. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I can't grow this channel without your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy.